Something in your life is about to change, but not in a way that you expect. It won't start with a miracle. It won't start with a new person. It won't start with an apology. It won't even start with closure. It starts with you finally telling the truth about what hurts. You have been pretending you are fine, pretending you are strong, pretending you are unbothered, pretending loneliness doesn't sting, pretending the cycle doesn't repeat, pretending the disrespect doesn't piss you. But pretending has a price, and you are the one paying it. Here's the shift you didn't see coming. Your soul is about to reject everything that insults your destiny. That's why you are suddenly irritated, suddenly restless, suddenly emotional, suddenly done. It's not random. It's alignment. Life is pushing you out of the places where your worth goes unnoticed. So, no, the change coming is not gentle. It's not subtle. It won't feel peace at first, but it will be the moment you stop abandoning yourself for people who don't even show up for you. You're not losing them. You are losing the version of you who tolerated what they brought. And this change is not happening to you. It's happening for you.